The Pixel 10 series is finally here, and Google has added a lot of new features that make it more than just a normal yearly upgrade. Some of these updates are small improvements, but others could actually change how people use their phones every day. Let's go through everything new in the Pixel 10 series so you know exactly what's worth paying attention to. One of the biggest changes is something called Pixelsnap. If the name sounds familiar, that's because it works a lot like Apple's MagSafe. Pixelsnap is a magnetic system built into the back of all Pixel 10 phones. You can snap on chargers, wallets, or stands without any effort. The best part is that it uses the Qi 2 wireless charging standard, so you're not stuck with only Google's accessories. This is a big step because for years Pixel users had fewer choices compared to iPhone owners. Now, Pixelsnap opens the door for many more accessories, and it's available on every Pixel 10 model, including the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the new Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Another important upgrade is about trust and security. It's called C2PA Content Credentials. With AI-generated images spreading everywhere, it's hard to know what's real anymore. Google's idea is simple but very effective. Every photo you take with a Pixel 10 camera will have a hidden signature that shows where it came from and if it's been edited. If someone questions whether your photo is real, you can prove it. This is a smart way to fight misinformation. And again, it's included across the entire Pixel 10 series. Now let's move to one of the most impressive AI features: Voice Translate. This feature makes talking to someone who speaks another language much easier. Imagine being on a phone call with someone who doesn't speak your language. Normally that would be difficult, but with Pixel 10, your phone instantly translates the conversation. Even better, it doesn't just use robotic voices. It recreates the speaker's voice so the conversation sounds natural. This is powered by the new Tensor G5 chip, and it works on all Pixel 10 models. It feels like a glimpse into the future. Google is also adding something new for personal wellness. It's called Pixel Journal. Think of it as a smart diary that lives on your phone. It gives you prompts to help you reflect on your day, set personal goals, or simply write down thoughts. Unlike other apps, everything stays private and secure on your device. Nothing is shared online, so your personal notes remain personal. Pixel Journal comes pre-installed on every Pixel 10 phone. Another useful feature is Take a Message. This improves the default phone app. If you miss or decline a call, the caller can leave a message, and your phone will automatically transcribe it for you. It even highlights important parts, like if someone asks you to confirm a meeting. It's like voicemail but much smarter, and it works on every Pixel 10. For people who love taking pictures, Google has added Camera Coach. This is like having a photography teacher built into your phone. As you take photos, it gives you real-time tips, like adjusting your angle, moving slightly for better lighting, or framing your shot better. It's powered by Google's Gemini AI and works on all models in the lineup. But the most exciting camera upgrade is only for the Pro models. It's called ProRes Zoom, and it lets you zoom up to 100 times. Normally, zooming in that much makes the picture blurry, but Google uses advanced AI to rebuild details and make zoomed shots look sharp. It's especially good for landscapes and faraway objects. This feature is a major reason to choose the Pixel 10 Pro or Pixel 10 Pro XL. There are also a couple of smaller but very fun camera tricks. Auto Best Take combines multiple photos into one perfect group shot where everyone looks good. And Ask Photos lets you edit pictures by simply typing a request, like asking it to remove someone in the background. Both features are available on all Pixel 10 phones. When you look at everything together, it's clear that Google is no longer just catching up to Apple and Samsung. Instead, it's building a strong ecosystem of its own. Pixelsnap gives users more accessories. AI tools like Voice Translate and Camera Coach make the phone more useful, and features like Content Credentials make it more trustworthy. The Pixel 10 series feels like Google's most complete smartphone lineup yet. Whether you pick the regular Pixel 10 or the Pro models with advanced zoom, you're getting real upgrades that make daily life easier. These aren't just flashy gimmicks, they're tools designed to actually help. That's what makes the Pixel 10 series stand out.